Hi guys, good morning to everyone and good morning to our subscribers and also to the future subscribers. I would like to thank to our Google AdSense because Google AdSense are already sending the email via Gmail. Good news, we have done to fill out the form for payments. Actually, thank you very much to us, and also this is these videos are for acknowledgement purpose only. By the way, I would like to flash this video because yeah, I am very worried because of my time, the what's our time, but I am very surprised that Google AdSense has been inviting me to fill out the form. So pero the reason is simple. Pagpatuloy lang natin to, yung video na to, and then tulungan nyo ako, tulungan ko kayo, and then sana is magpatuloy po yung panonood nyo. You are continuing to subscribe na YouTube channel. Pero bago yan, alam nyo ba na hindi lang pala minsan na nangyayari yung failures sa pagiging YouTubers. Madalas. Pero behind the sacrifices, we can post it. Whatever happened, trials and everything. That's it. So thank you very much to everyone and God bless us. And also, kung bago ka pa rin lang napasok sa ating YouTube channel is please click mo na rin to. Sa susunod nating mga videos is makikita natin sa sports at different mix tube yung ating gagawin. Kumbaga, hindi tayo naka-focus doon sa iisang sports kasi yung ating content is Sports King. In Tagalog is the hari ng laro. So all of games has been posted in my YouTube channel. So if you are very interested, don't forget to subscribe. Now, subscribe mo na. Thank you very much. Huwag mo rin kalimutang tapusin yung ating video sa panonood. So, God bless. Bye-bye.